Hi guys, what's up? It's me Moksha. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So today's video is basically, as from the title and thumbnail, you would already guess it that this video is basically my first time flying to the flight. I'm very excited at the same time. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. And I'm leaving to Jaipur. Why I'm leaving to Jaipur? With whom I'm leaving? All the upcoming clips and upcoming vlogs will let you know where I am, what I'm doing. So okay, so right now it's 6:30 in the morning and we have our flights by 10 a.m. So we have to leave by 7 so that we can reach by 8:15 and do all the rest of the things in the airport like baggage drop and then security check-in and then find our gate number and sit in that gate number and then do the rest of the things like roaming in the airport, exploring the airport, how does it look from inside, because as a person I don't know how does it look. Even I didn't check the Google photos के अंदर से airport कैसे दिखते हैं. So it's my first time from my naked eyes I'm gonna see the airport, how huge the airports are, and yeah, I'm pretty excited. So let's go. To avoid the morning traffic jam, we booked the cab from our house to metro station. Okay, so I didn't knew that the airport from outside looks so beautiful and so huge. To reach the entrance of the airport, you're supposed to walk a lot. Even there are the escalators at some point, you feel like they're so slow कि मैं चल के ही चली जाऊँगी. Your relatives are allowed to drop you till the entrance of the airport. तो पापा भी हमको छोड़ने आ रहे थे. At this point, I was feeling like ट्रेन में जब जाते हैं तब हमारा डब्बा कितनी बार बहुत लास्ट होता है, तो हमको पूरा स्टेशन चलना पड़ता है. तो बेसिकली मुझे यहाँ पे ऐसा ही लगा था कि once we reached the Chennai airport, the first thing that we did was the baggage drop. After we found our gate number, we sat for a few minutes and then we roamed around the airport, filled the water bottle and then came back to the gate number. Finally, it was the time to sit inside the airplane. I was really excited. जब मैंने airplane को इतना नज़दीक से देखा, I was like, oh my god, इतना बड़ा होता है. Always have that one thing in mind कि इतनी बड़ी flight कैसे उड़ेगी आसमान में, इतने 200 passengers sitting, so like what, and उनके लगेजेस भी होते हैं ना, like what, how is it possible कि इतनी मोटी flight आकाश में उड़ रही है. So, we actually booked the window seats but eventually हमें मिली नहीं. हमें विंडो सीट हैदराबाद टू जयपुर वाली फ़्लाइट में मिली. तो दीज आर ऑल इंडियन थिंग्स. जब आपको पता चलता है कि विंडो सीट वाला बंदा आया ही नहीं तो हम झपट कर उसकी सीट पे बैठ जाते हैं. तो वैसा ही मैंने किया था.
Welcome on Air India flight 517. Morning service from Chennai to Hyderabad.
विमान को पानी पर उतरना पड़े तो इस रक्षा जैकेट को इस तरह पहने और पट्टी अपनी कमर पर कस के बांध लें. रक्षा जैकेट को सिर्फ द्वार के निकट ही फुलाएं. इसे फुलाने के लिए इस लाल डोरी को मजबूती से खींचे. आपसे निवेदन है कि निकासी द्वार तक पहुंचने से पहले अपनी रक्षा जैकेट को ना फुलाएं क्योंकि दो विमान के पिछले हिस्से में
Sit back, relax and enjoy the flight. Thank you.
I am a roller coaster person. I don't get scared very easily. तो मैंने फ़्लाइट को भी रोलर कोस्टर समझ के रखा था. जब फ़्लाइट टेक ऑफ हुई तो इट गॉट स्लैंट अ बिट एंड अंदर से भी हम स्लैंट हो जाते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई यू आर आस्क्ड टू टाई योर सीट बेल्ट. आई गॉट स्कैर्ड फॉर अ बिट बट जब फ़्लाइट एक पोजीशन पे आके उड़ रही थी तब आई डोंट गॉट स्कैर्ड एट ऑल. A few moments later, इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? Hyderabad is the fourth largest airport of India, so once we reached, we were finding a launch area where we can relax ourselves. But launch area mein a person gets entry only if he or she has a credit or a debit card, which we only had one. So we had to pay an extra for the another one, which we thought doesn't make sense because it's only a small 3 hours off. So we made ourselves comfortable in the sitting area. ये व्यू भी कोई लॉन्च से कम नहीं था जहाँ पे टेक ऑफ और लैंडिंग हो रही थी. वेंडिंग मशीन को मूवी में देखकर हकीकत में नहीं, और आज सामने है तो उसका ट्राई करना भी हमारा पूरा हक है. With this view right to the front of us, we started having lunch around 1 o'clock as our boarding time was 1:50. Boarding time started by 1:50. हैदराबाद एयरपोर्ट इज़ सो ह्यूज कि हमारी फ़्लाइट तक पहुंचने के लिए हम एयर एशिया बस में बैठे हुए थे, एंड लेजिट हम इतनी देर तक बैठे हुए थे कि एक टाइम के बाद टनल भी आ गया था ना. आई वॉज लाइक, मैंने अपनी बहन को कह दिया था कि शायद हमको ये बस ही जयपुर पहुंचा रही है.
30 seconds later.
फाइनली बस वाले ने फ़्लाइट तक पहुंचा दिया, एंड नाउ दिस फ्लाइट इज़ गोइंग टू मेक अस रीच द जयपुर विद इन 1 hour 50 minutes. This is one of the most beautiful view of me traveling through the flight. जहाँ पे फ़्लाइट बादलों से गुज़रती है, और जब फ़्लाइट बादलों से गुज़रती है तब वो थोड़ी सी गड़गड़ हो जाती है. Finally made it to Jaipur, also known as the Pink City.
Welcome to Jaipur International Airport.
After we arrived to the Jaipur airport, we collected our suitcases. Yeah, basically it was an amazing journey for me. I was really blessed and grateful that in the age of 16 I was sitting in the flight and I was experiencing the flight for the first time. So yeah, I'm always and always grateful for that. And yeah, with that being said, let's come to the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I took each and every clips. मैंने बहुत सारी clips ली थी अंदर से. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Get excited for the upcoming vlogs. The next vlog is going to be a Jaipur vlog. जयपुर से भी मैं किधर एक अलग स्टेट में जा रही थी. That was the first time for all of us. Now who are all of us? कौन है ये लोग? ये आपको अपकमिंग व्लॉग्स में बताती रहूँगी कि किसके साथ मैं जा रही थी. सो या, if you just like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because upcoming vlogs are gonna be amazing. Make sure you press the bell notification so that you'll be notified every single time that I upload the video. Because so yeah, with that being said, bye. And yeah, the flight vlog comes to the end.